What's going on, everybody? I'm back for another vid. But today, I'm gonna try out Stoker's Tennessee Chew Moonshine blend. I ain't never tried this. I've tried some of the other Stoker's Chew, like Stoker's Original, Stoker's Apple. Pretty good stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead, open this up. Let's see. Smells like raisins and little hint of moonshine, but all chews smell like raisins. Majority of the chews taste like raisins. I'll try to get a pinch of it. Get a small one. I'll let it soak a little bit. Well, this is a 1 pound bag of chew, so it'll last me a while. I'll be chewing on that for a little bit, but soak up a little bit. I can taste a hint of the moonshine. It still tastes primarily like raisins, but it has a subtle hint of the moonshine, which is actually not bad. So I like it. It has a good flavor. It's not overpowering with that sweetness like the raisins, like chew normally has. Wow. Yeah, yeah, subtle hints. That's a moonshine flavor into it. I was on, but y'all don't know Stokers. They have the dip to make chew. Yeah, it was made by Bobby Stoker. I want to say about 1940. Bobby Stoker. He started making dip. It's one of the best. It's considered a budget dip because you can get a cup of Stokers. Any kind of Stokers that they have. They got fine cut, long cut, wintergreen original, straight. But it's one that I've only seen two brands have tubs. One was Stoker's and the other is Longhorn. But I mean, Stoker's tubs has 10 cans of dip into it. That's equivalent to 10 cans. And the flavor of it I enjoy Stoker's dip. It's really good flavor. It lasts, nice long cut and everything. But it's considered a budget dip just because you pay $20 for 3 or 10 cans for the tub, and it's damn good in dip. Longhorn, they also have a tub. It's about 12 cans, I believe. It's another budget dip, but Longhorn, their flavor doesn't last as long, and their long cut a little bit finer than the Stoker's long cuts. But I don't know, it's pretty good chew. Probably one of my favorite chews I have. Mainly because it does not taste just like raisins. It has you have that hint of moonshine to it, which I love moonshine, so it's always good to have. And it's not really sweet. I'm not a big fan of sweet dips or chews. I like more of with chews. Levi Garrett's one of my favorite chews. Tastes like raisins, but it's not overpowering sweet. But now that it's been soaking for a while, I'm getting some more of that moonshine taste to it. But it's really good. It's a really good chew. I'm enjoying it. Probably go my top 5 dips or chews that I've had. Another good Stoker chew is the apple. Stoker's apple is a really good chew. To me, it tastes like apple pie, which I love apple pie. I'm a huge fan of apple pie. I need apple pie all day. But Stoker's apple is probably my second favorite. I'll put this at number 3. First one is Levi Garrett's. Then number 4 is gonna be the Romaine Gold, and then the original Romaine Green. But it's a really good chew. Let's look at it. Is the weight content is domestic. It's no less than 3%, and the foreign is no more than 97%. So this is mainly foreign tobacco, like Afghanistan, Sweden, Timbuktu, but not a lot of American grown tobacco in there, which it sucks. I'm a fan of pure 100% American tobacco. Copenhagen, the Grizzly dark dips, like their dark wintergreen, dark mint, dark select. Those are all 100% American. Like with the regular Grizzly, you got 91% U.S. tobacco, 9% imported. So the majority of the Grizzly, is American tobacco, but they still have foreign tobaccos into it. Copenhagen is 100% American. Grizzly dark wintergreen, mint, and dark select is 100% American. Turkish chew, 3% American. Well, no more or no less than 3%. So I mean, it can range anywhere from 3 to, you could have 100% American tobacco in it. It just says no less than 3% domestic and no more than 97% foreign. So, well, on a scale of 1 to 10 on this chew, just because it's not overpowering sweet, it doesn't taste just like raisins. It doesn't smell just like raisins. Even with the smell, you can get that little bit of moonshine scent to it, which it has. I'll give it a 10. It's a really good chew. I enjoy it. If y'all are fans of chews, so go out, try it. See what y'all think of it for yourselves. I enjoy it. Well, I got a pound bag. Chew on that whenever I'm watching videos and movies, whatever. But I just wanted to come review that for y'all. Probably about to get off, go watch some football, drink some beer, head to work later. So, you have a good Saturday. See y'all later.